Hello guys, in this video, we will talk about Kalshi and whether it's worth using in 2025 or if you should leave it behind. So, Kalshi is a federally regulated event trading platform that lets users speculate on real-world outcomes, like interest rate hikes, inflation changes, or election results. In 2025, it's gaining traction as a unique way to hedge or profit from major events. So here's what's good about Kalshi. It's CFTC regulated, so it's legally recognized in the US. You can trade on real world questions like, will inflation rise above 3% this quarter? It has low cost entry. Contract starts at just a few cents. It is great for traders who understand economic trends but want a new market. But there are limitations too. It's still relatively niche, limited liquidity compared to stocks or crypto. It has no mobile app yet, and you can just access it through browser. It requires understanding of macroeconomics or news cycles. Its profits are capped due to the binary nature of prediction and contracts. So, is Kalshi worth using? If you are into news-driven trading or want to diversify with a legal event market, Kalshi is a cool and legit option in 2025. But if you are looking for high-volume trading or long-term investing, this might feel too experimental. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.